Sir, would you also like to comment on the Mokokchung Village Council declaring a consensus support for the Dowager Ayangin being a consensus candidate?
See, in our traditional world, inside the chambers of the two gates, the village council is a team. We understand that. But also, when the Mokokchung Village Council had declared their support to Dowager Imchen, I believe it is their personal support also. So, it does not close anybody. I have seen the pictures of the other intending candidate also, who was free enough to put his candidature forward. I don't think that is any problem. It is the intention of the village council to keep and uplift the village of Mokokchung in a better manner. It's a choice.